Hey guys, here's a video of the turbo kit. It's a Garrett GTX 4202R dual ball bearing. Basically the biggest, baddest 76 millimeter turbo you can get. It's got the tile stainless steel V-band turbine housing. It's a 1.16R tile 60 millimeter wastegate. In the fender here, you can't see it, but in the fender's the tile blow-off valve. I think that's like a 50 millimeter. But it's all 304 stainless. I got the good heat wrap on everything. Everything is vibrant V-bands, not the cheap ones. Uses O2s and the extensions, so I'll give those to you. Up here, it's all tight, but it fits. I'll end up giving the custom wires I have for this side to keep it away from the hot side. That way you'll never burn up plug wires. So the driver's side is the factory manifold. There's nothing really to see there. Wraps around the bottom and comes up this way. So this is the driver's side that merges with the passenger side that merges with the driver's side into the turbine there. Cold side goes down through the opening in the fender, V-band, cold side, and into the front mount, which you can kind of see there. That's a Garrett front mount, 3-inch piping in and out, fills up the whole front of the Camaro real nice. I think it's like a 4.5-inch core. Hard to tell, but it bolts in there, and it keeps your factory crash bar. You can see the crash bar there, just in case you do bump something. Hopefully you won't wreck the intercooler. But yeah, here it is. I run all the vacuum lines off of a motion block here. It bolts to the LT4 heads and LT1 heads. Super clean there if you wanted to. The feed is here, and I have it tapped into the factory belly cover there. Drain is a -10 here, just zip ties and goes down. Gravity drain into the pan. You do not have to run a pump, a scavenge pump. You don't have to run those. It's tight, but it fits. So you do have to notch one little part back here for the downpipe. Kind of hard to see. Little notch and trim there. It's got 3.5-inch exhaust all the way back into a dual 3-inch, which is over here. Vibrant resonators. It's got J pipes for the exhaust, and then a big muffler there. It's all V-band, and it's got the O2 sensor there for the wideband. Right now it's got a cutout on there, just like a 6-inch pipe, just to see if it acted any different. It didn't make any more power. It didn't make any more boost with an open dump. So it just proves that exhaust flows fine, and the car is extremely quiet with it. It sounds very good. No drone, no rasp. It sounds really, really good. But yeah, this is pretty much the turbo kit here. I'll get the Go Fast Bits boost controller. That's in the dash. That'll come with that because I'm switching that up. But yeah, right here. It made like what the hell did it make? 850 or something horse, 950 torque. With drag radials on 17s. And yeah, bolts on. So this cold side comes down this way. It goes, you can see it down there, goes into the intercooler there. This fits with the BTR manifold along with the factory manifold, so you don't have to switch any of that. Factory throttle body. You do have to do a breakout for your IAT. That's highly recommended. The MAF is still in there in the charge pipe. And that's got the nozzles. I highly recommend you running meth. Even on low boost, the meth just works.